was taller by half than the old man himself, though it weighed not a pennyweight more.
Watch the words now.
It was born on the morn of the day that he was born, and was always his treasure and pride. But it stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died. 90 years without slumbering, tick tock, his life seconds now.